What's up, everybody? Here we are in Miami for another exciting episode of Dining on a Dime, and we are about to go into Publix. Just kidding, we're not actually gonna do that. We're just here to pick up a cake because it is officially the 100th episode of Dining on a Dime. And we thought, what better way to celebrate than to get a giant sheet cake. I will get into some more detailed thank yous in this episode, which you're about to watch in about 10 seconds, but I just want to say thank you to the viewers. Thanks for tuning in for 100 episodes. I can't believe it either, but thanks. Enjoy the episode and take it away, Lucas. Hey everybody, we're going to South Beach. South Beach is not where most people live. South Beach is sort of like a fun party time playground. It's the first part of Miami Beach to be developed, known for, among other things, Miami Vice, Scarface, beautiful Art Deco buildings, and also food that you can eat all night because people are partying there all night. Not me, because I'm 100 years old, so I don't do that. But for the people that do that, there's a place called La Sandwicherie that does fancy French sandwiches from dawn till dusk and back again. The sandwiches are très bon, as they say en français. So we're gonna head over to La Sandwicherie right now. We're gonna try some of these sandwiches. This place seems very popular.
Everybody loves this place.
Why do people love it so much?
The atmosphere is super good, the food is always fresh. We always try to be funny with the people. We open 7 in the morning, we close 6 in the morning. People come breakfast, lunch, after party, 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning.
So otherwise you have to go to have fast food or something like that?
Yeah, we make
fresh.
it fast, but it's not fast food.
Do you get a lot of very drunk people coming here?
A lot of very drunk people, yeah. 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, they try to give you a hug, oh, everybody happy. Right away, give me a shot. They know we have no alcohol. They know we don't serve anything. They want a shot of sauce.
Oh.
They're so drunk and they want to drink the mustard sauce.
Ik heb een nieuw Nederlands vriendje gemaakt.
Yes.
Hoe heet je ook alweer?
Maika.
Maika. Lucas. Aangenaam.
Aangenaam kennis te maken.
En hoe kom je bij La Sandwicherie?
Ik ben hier aan het reizen met een vriend. En hij woont hier en hij laat mij leuke plekken zien en laat mij heel veel eten proeven. En vandaar deze plek.
Eerste keer in Amerika? Of?
Ja. Eerst naar New York geweest en nu Miami.
En wat ga je eten vanavond? Wat heb je?
Ik heb besteld een sandwich met turkey en brie. Dus ik ben heel benieuwd.
Ik ook. Oh, here's the moment of truth. Maybe I'll try my sandwich too, hang on. We're gonna have this experience together of having our sandwiches.
What do you have?
I have a Frenchie.
It looks good.
It does, it looks delicious. There we go.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mine is wel lekker.
Heel lekker.
Looks great. We've got some beautiful French salami, some brie cheese, and I already tried this one with my new Dutch friend, but I'm gonna try it again. It's a good sandwich. You have kind of like a tangy salami, that nice soft brie. It's really great with the croissant and with a lot of salad. This is certainly better than anything else you could get at 3 in the morning. Like, this is great. I would take this over most late night options any day of the week. We do have 2 more sandwiches. This one is gonna be the Napoli. And this one consists of prosciutto and mozzarella, a lot of vegetables, classic combo. Prosciutto, I think, has like a sweeter flavor than salami, which is a little bit saltier. That's really nice too. Cured meat and cheese. Similar in a lot of ways to the other sandwich. Just happens to be a different meat and a different cheese. The last sandwich is gonna be the club. Typically you think of a club sandwich, you'd think ham, turkey, bacon, cheese. This is a riff on that. Again, that soft brie, cow's milk cheese, some turkey, and some delicious avocado. A very generous sandwich. Brie, I feel like you could just spread on any sandwich and eat it, and it would taste delicious. I'm gonna take a smoothie break. This is my DECO Beach. Kiwi, pineapple, mango, raspberry, peach. Delicious. What's the flavor that comes through the most? Probably the pineapple. Good smoothie. So, what does it all mean, folks? We're here at La Sandwicherie. It's really unassuming. It's like a humble sandwich shop off the alley. It's not big and flashy, and yet it's super beloved. You can't get something good at 4:30 in the morning. And so when you get out and it's super late, you want something to eat, but maybe you don't want to eat garbage. There's not a lot of places at that hour where you can get something where the meats, the cheeses, the vegetables are fresh. And people come to this place because they know it's like legendary late night food. And I think rightly so. So it's been 100 episodes, which is unbelievable to me. 13 seasons, we've been to Canada, we've been to Europe, we're gonna go even more places in the future. I have to say thank you very much to everyone who's ever worked on this show, because so much more goes into it than what I do and than what you see. So I have to thank everyone at Eater Video. I have to thank Maureen and Pat, and I have to thank Amanda, who's the editor of Eater. I have to thank the team right now, Dan, Vesta, and Fran, who are standing behind and who you can't see, but whose work is very apparent all the time. I want to thank everybody at Eater LA, and I want to thank James Barry, who has worked on most of the episodes of Dining on a Dime that you see and who's put a lot of time and effort in making the show great. So thank you, James. Thank you, everyone who's worked on the show. And thank you, of course, the viewer, most importantly, because if no one watched the show, there would be no show. And so thank you for watching it. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. Thank you for being supportive and for sitting at your computer and watching me talk nonsense about food every week. That's all I have to say. Thanks. Thanks for everything. I really hope you enjoyed this episode of Dining on a Dime from La Sandwicherie in South Beach, Miami, Florida. If you'd like to watch more, please click here.